Welcome everybody once again to Cousin Cuckoo's
Cooking corner.
Yes, and this is my very sous chef, Little Miss Genou. Say hi, Genou.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, she says she's making me heart very nice and happy. And now, to make you very nice and happy, I have a very nice recipe called sandwich. Now, for the sandwich, it is basically vegetable sandwich, but it is very exciting. It's very healthy. So we have all these wonderful vegetables in front of us. This is the cucumber, and this is the carrot, which you will always feed the rabbits. No, we feed ourselves.
Yes.
And now we have some condiments. All right. This is the poivre, which is also the
Pepper.
and this is sal, which is
Salt.
and this is it's a white gooky thing, which is scary. No.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. I'll put some on my knees to make him
Never. No.
And this is some
Bread.
bread. And this is some
Cheese.
fromage. Cheese. Dirty?
No.
Good cheese. Okay, and this is a grater, which is not lesser than any other implement. Alrighty then. So now we take these vegetables and grate them into this bowl. Very carefully though. Take this and grate it. Ooh, lovely. And quickly now we grate. And then we have a bowl full of lovely grated cucumber. And as you can see, we also have ketchup, which is very important for the taste. You see, and ketchup is made of red tomatoes. I think that is quite enough. And now we will also grate the carrot. I wish the Bugs Bunny was here with me. Then he would have said, "Oh, do not grate the carrot because I would like to eat the carrot." But I would say, "No, Bugs, I am making sandwich, so you got to wait." Yes, we can have grate some more. Oh, that is wonderful. I think that is quite enough. We have grated a good amount of the
Carrot.
veg. Yes. Now we keep it here. So now what we've got to do is go for the bread. Okay, I take a slice this side and you can take a slice this side. All right? Now I put the mayonnaise on this slice and you go ahead and put the ketchup on your slice. All right? Now Cousin Cuckoo is about to create a wonderful magical sandwich. So we take this and we put mayonnaise on this side and ketchup on that side. And now we have the sauce spread very beautifully and we have the mayonnaise spread very beautifully. Now I will take this and you will open a piece of cheese while I take our lovely grated stuff and I put it nicely. You see, I spread it so beautifully. You see, all that white and that orange is so exciting, I tell you. And also, it is healthy. I can feel the health come through my hand into my face. Yes. And quickly put the fromage on your piece. We've got this wonderful thing. Now let's take a pinch of salt and we season it a bit. And we can do this as much as we feel and we want to.
And with some pepper.
Pepper. Lovely little pepper. Ooh, Cousin Cuckoo is feeling so nice and feel. Now this is so simple, but it is so nice and healthy. I take him and put him here. And there. Ooh, I say it's all nice. And now we have the brilliant sandwich ready. Please enjoy it. And of course, if you want to know some more wonderful, short, sweet, and so excitingly wonderful recipes to do, all you have to do is come to me. Cousin Cuckoo's Cooking
Corner.
Yes, and we will show you more. So please like our episodes, you share our episodes, and do not forget to subscribe to
Joy for Kids.
Yes. Ooh, I gonna eat now.